The goal of the project was to provide increased mobility to about 100,000 people. There's about 6,000 new riders using the system each day, and that's taken thousands of vehicles off the road.
The West LRT line project is an extension of the existing Calgary C-train system and is recognized as being one of North America's most successful systems in terms of ridership and cost effectiveness.
Il a permis de retirer des milliers de véhicules du réseau routier et de créer des pistes cyclables, des passerelles pour piétons et des sentiers régionaux.
The overall project was about $1.4 billion to the city. Not all of that was in the construction. That included land acquisition and some other projects that were not directly attributable to the LRT, such as a brand new high school and a parkade. The LRT work itself was about $750 million.
We were a joint venture of S&C Lavalin and Graham Construction, and we peaked out at approximately 250 people. And that was self-performing. And then on top of that, we had hundreds upon hundreds of subcontractors as well. So there was a significant amount of collaboration both within our self-performed activities and our subcontractors.
La construction du projet a posé de nombreuses difficultés aux équipes d'ingénieurs et exigé des prouesses techniques.
The project included 8 kilometers of double rail track, 6 passenger stations, 9 traction power substations, signals, communications, and overhead systems, a new highway interchange, a 4-story building, and a parkade.
One of our biggest challenges was some of the geotechnical conditions. Utilities, a lot of the project was below grade, so we intersected virtually every utility along the corridor. In a linear project in a dense urban environment, there's always going to be traffic issues. And we did a lot of work on the traffic management.
The West LRT really had been in the planning for probably 2 decades before it got going. It brought Calgary's first underground station as well as their first elevated station, so it demonstrated that the LRT could take on whatever form that the city fabric required of it at that location.
All the stations had the elliptical oval shape, which was achieved by the precast elliptical arches. Very challenging, very new. The structural steel in between these arches were twisted in both directions. All of that was covered with the nice copper roof you see out there. One of our biggest underground stations, Westbrook, had an uninterrupted open space concept entrance at the north entrance, and there was no columns. It really accommodated all the pedestrians and the passengers at that station.
The mayor made a very clear point that this project was going to open at precisely 5 a.m. on December 10th, 2012. And we responded to that, and in fact, we opened 30 minutes early.
This project is truly an outstanding example of engineering excellence. Engineers Canada is proud to present the 2014 National Award for an Engineering Project or Achievement to the Calgary West LRT Line Project. Accepting this award on behalf of SNC Lavalin is the project director, Dave Weatherby, PNG.